Hey guys, so I'm on my way to viewing this apartment. I have an appointment at 2 p.m. and I got another 45 minutes to get there, so we'll take the metro and hopefully everything will work out fine. But I look forward to viewing this apartment because it looks just beautiful. I mean, if it is as in the pictures, then it's going to be very difficult to say no, but we will see about that in a moment. So I'm on my way right now, and I'm gonna have an update for you very soon. The metro here is a mess. Most stations don't even have a ticket issuing machine, so you can't buy any tickets. But how are you supposed to go if you can't buy tickets, right? You're gonna get fined, but that's just the nature of the game here in Budapest, Hungary. The real estate agent told me that this is an investment property, okay? The owners purchased this property, they newly renovated it. Like, you can really tell that everything is of high quality. The furniture, the doors, like very thick, very massive, really good quality, you know? It's an investment property. And while it's only 51 square meters, you know, it doesn't really feel like you don't get a lot of value because it feels new, it feels luxurious, it just feels good. And she told me she will have a look whether they can do a 5 or 6 month contract if we top up a little bit. So they're asking for 240,000 for rent, which is about 670 euros or about maybe 800 US, I guess, somewhere around that. And you know, it's pretty nice. She said this is actually the higher end neighborhood of Budapest. And then I asked her, higher end neighborhood, do you mean the elite lives here? And then she's like, yeah, like mainly people with higher paying jobs and, you know, like business guys. And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. I mean, the Nomad elite will probably consider living here. I mean, everything here works pretty well, I think. Even though there's a little bit of construction going on, as you probably saw before, it's still okay. You know, it's still like quiet and it's still pretty good, because the windows are soundproof. You know, you rarely get that in the US, you know, you rarely get that. So it doesn't really feel like, you know, you can't work. I heard there was construction going on, and then I closed the windows and I didn't hear a beep, didn't hear anything. Thank you for joining me on this apartment tour in Budapest, Hungary today. Make sure to subscribe and turn on alerts so you receive a notification when I upload the next video on digital nomadism, crypto or investing. Thank you for watching.